Hi, my name is Victor Morel. Welcome to the video presentation of our demo paper, CoIoT, a consent and information assistant for the IoT. I'll guide you along the main features of our prototype, and I'll explore a few scenarios described in our article. The IoT poses difficulties to communicate information related to personal data collection, due, for instance, to the lack of appropriate interfaces of IoT devices or their heterogeneity. CoIoT is an online mobile application designed to retrieve information related to personal data collection and to manage consent in the IoT using privacy policies. It's possible to consult your own privacy policy on the interface Visualize My Policy, which presents your privacy rules and gives you the possibility to modify them. Not only can you modify existing rules, but you can also add new ones from scratch. We now present scenarios in which CoIoT retrieves privacy policies. In all scenarios, the data subject enters the range of collection of a privacy beacon broadcasting a policy. In the first scenario, the data subject policy complies with the data controller policy. A consent is automatically sent. This consent is received by the privacy beacon. In the second scenario, the two policies do not match at first. CoIoT proposes to add a rule to the data subject policy to comply with the data controller policy. The data subject agrees to the modification. The two policies now match. A consent is sent and received by the privacy beacon. In the third scenario, the two policies do not match either. The data subject does not want to modify a policy. However, the two policies have common terms. As a result, a negotiation is undertaken. First, CoIoT communicates the data subject policy to the privacy beacon. The privacy beacon then computes the terms on which the two policies agree. It has been programmed to accept these new terms. As a result, it sends a new data controller policy in unicast. Because the new data controller policy complies with the data subject policy by construction, a consent is issued.
To conclude this presentation, we can say that in spite of the difficulties to communicate information and manage consent in the IoT, it is possible to implement informed consent without burdening data subjects.